You ever look around and wonder why some people just seem to get ahead financially, almost like it's easy for them? Meanwhile, so many others are stuck, grinding away, paycheck to paycheck, no matter how hard they work. Well, today, we're going to dig into the psychology of money, and we're going to uncover this one kind of unsettling idea, that your whole financial life might just hinge on a single, hidden belief.
So what if it's not the stock market, or your salary, or that brilliant business idea you haven't had yet? What if the single biggest thing holding you back from real financial freedom is just a thought, just one idea living in your head, quietly wrecking all your best efforts?
It's so easy to blame the stuff outside of ourselves. We say, oh, the economy's terrible, or my boss just doesn't pay me what I'm worth. But what we're talking about today suggests that the real problem, the real barrier, is this invisible belief system, a sort of mental program that's running your financial life before you even get out of bed in the morning.
I want you to think about it like this. You're in an invisible financial cage. Seriously, it's not made of steel bars, though. It's made of your thoughts, your assumptions. These are walls that we build ourselves, brick by brick, a lot of the time without even realizing we're doing it, and they keep us trapped.
So how do you even know if you're living inside this cage? Well, it all shows up in your behavior. Let's walk through some of the classic symptoms of what's called a scarcity mindset, and just see if any of these sound a little too familiar.
All right, first up is short-term thinking. This is when you're just constantly in survival mode, right? You're just trying to make it to the next payday, and you have absolutely no brain power left to think about next year, let alone retirement. Then there's this idea that wealth is a zero-sum game, like there's a fixed pie of money in the world, and if someone gets a big slice, that means there's less for you. That naturally leads to being terrified of investing because any risk, any loss, feels permanent. It can even show up as this weird, quiet belief that money itself is kind of dirty or evil. Or, and this one's a big one, finding it really hard to be genuinely happy when your friend gets a raise because their win feels like your loss.
But here's the thing, all of these are just the symptoms. They all grow from one single, really powerful and deep-seated belief. So what is it? What's the one thought that's powering this whole invisible cage?
Okay, let's pull back the curtain. Let's look right at the belief that keeps so many people stuck. It's so simple, but wow, are its effects huge.
This is it. This is the one. The idea that wealth is finite. It's a limited resource, a pie that can only be sliced up, never made bigger. If you believe this, even just a little bit deep down, then every single financial decision becomes a fight. Every time you see someone else succeed, it feels like a threat. You hold on tight to what you have because you're convinced there's no more where that came from. This one little thought is the absolute bedrock of the scarcity mindset.
But what if that belief is just wrong? Let's talk about the alternative, because this is where everything can change. The opposite is the abundance mindset, and it's a total shift from seeing the world as a zero-sum game to seeing it as a place of endless value creation.
Look at this comparison. It's like two totally different universes, right? On one side, you've got hoarding, fear, seeing limits everywhere. On the other side, you have circulation, opportunity, and a focus on creating something new. See, an abundance mindset doesn't just see a bigger pie, it gets that we can always bake more pies. When somebody creates a new company, a new app, or a beautiful piece of art, they are not taking a slice from you. They are adding an entirely new value, a whole new pie, to the world.
Okay, so getting this intellectually is one thing, but how do you actually change it? How do you break out of that invisible cage? Well, the good news is it starts with a really simple, conscious process. Here's your first step forward, something you can start today.
It's really just a 3-step mental exercise. You can do it anytime. So first, just notice. The next time a coworker gets that big promotion and you feel that little sting of jealousy, just stop and notice the thought. Step 2, challenge it. Ask yourself, wait a minute, is it really true that their success takes something from me? Is wealth really a fixed pie? And then, the most important step, reframe. Instead of jealousy, try thinking, wow, that's awesome. That proves that there are opportunities here. What can I learn from what they did to create more value myself? It's a simple practice, but if you do it over and over, you can literally rewire your brain.
So let's just end on this question. If you could really, truly, deep in your bones, replace that belief in a fixed pie with a belief in an expanding one, what changes for you? What investment would you finally feel confident enough to make? What business idea would you finally start? What financial door that you always thought was locked suddenly just swings wide open?